measure of time. Panoorin ang video ito at ituturo ko sa iyo. Okay, this is our topic, measure of time. So this is the table of conversion. So in 60 seconds, that is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes, that is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 month, 12 months, that is equal to 1 year. 365 days is equal to 1 year. Yung 365 days, meron pang 365 days and 1/4. Bakit siya merong 1/4? Because meron tayong tinatawag na leap year. Mangyayari yung leap year every 4 years. Kaya pagdating ng leap year, magiging 366 days na yan. So 366 days is equal to 1 leap year. Okay? Every 4 years lang mangyayari yung leap year. So 10 years, that is equal to 1 decade. 100 years, that is equal to 1 century. 1,000 years is equal to 1 millennium. And 1 century is equal to 100 years. Ay, inulit na. Okay lang. And 1 score is equals to 20 years. Okay, so let's have an example number 1. Let's convert 2 centuries to years. Gagawin natin years itong 2 century. Okay? Again, unahin muna natin pagkopya yung 2 century, yung original na 2 centuries, yung original na measurement. Then i-multiply natin yan. Dapat alam natin kung ano yung century to years. So 1 century, asan yun? Ito, 1 century, that is equal to 100 years. Dito pa kanina, naulit pa. 100 years is equal to 1 century. So, yung denominator, dapat the same unit sa ating original na measurement, which is century. So, dito sa denominator, 1 century. Ayan. Tapos sa numerator is itong 100 years. Ayan. Okay, so i-cancel na natin yung century at saka yung centuries. Okay, so ang naiwan dito, si 2 na lang, wala ng century. I-multiply natin kay 100 years. So 2 times 100, that is equal to 200 years. Okay, so therefore, 2 centuries is equal to 200 years. Okay? So let's proceed to number 2. 2.5 hours, 2 minutes. Gagawin natin minutes itong 2.5 hours. So again, kupihin muna natin yan si 2.5 hours. Multiply natin yan. So dapat alam natin yung hours to minutes. Okay? So 1 hour, ilang minute yan? Ito. 1 hour or 60 minutes, that is equal to 1 hour. So, lagay natin dito sa ating denominator na 1 hour. Okay, or pwede rin 1s lang ha, 1s, pwede na, ikaw na bahala dyan. Then, dito sa numerator, yung 60 minutes. Okay, ngayon, i-cancel natin yung hour na yan, at saka yan, si hour, at i-multiply natin si 2.5 times 60. So, 2.5 times 60, that is equal to 150 minutes. Okay. So, this is your final answer sa ating example number 2. 2.5 hours is equal to 150 minutes. Okay, let's proceed to another example. So, let's proceed to number 3 example. So, we will convert 132 hours to days. Gagawin nating days itong 132 hours. Okay? So, in 1 day, that is equal to 24 hours, or in 24 hours, that is equal to 1 day. So, we will copy first the 132 hours. Okay, then i-multiply natin yan. Okay, kunin natin ito. Si 1 day equals 24 hours. Dapat yung denominator natin is 24 hours. Dapat ang denominator is the same unit sa ating original na measurement, which is hours. So, dapat yung denominator hours din. Okay? So, yung numerator, 1 day. Ayan. Kasi gagawin natin days yan eh. So, i-cancel natin yung hours. Cancel din natin itong hours. So, ang naiwan, 132 times 1 day equals 132 days. Okay? Over, kopyahin natin yan si 24. Kasi mayroon pang over 1 yan, di ba? So, 1 times 24 is 24. Nakuha? And then, i-divide natin yan. I-divide natin yan. 132 times 24, 5. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay? 2, 1. So, add tayo ng point tayo ng 0. Tapos add 0, point. Okay, hanap tayo ng number na kung i-multiply natin sa 24, the result is 120 or less than 120. So, what's the number? 5. Ayan ang kanina. 5 times 4, 20. 32. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2. Okay, 12. So, the result is 5.5 days. Okay? Dito lang sa taas ha. 5.5 or 5 and 1 half days. Okay, yung 0.5 that is equivalent to 1 half. Okay? So, this is your final answer sa ating example number 3. 132 hours that is equal to 5.5 days. Kung sagot mo is 5 and 1 half days, that is also correct. Okay? So, let's proceed to number 4. We will convert 216,000 minutes. Okay? So, gagawin din natin itong hours. Itong 216,000 minutes. Okay? Saan ba natin makikita dyan sa ating conversion table? Itong minutes to hours. Okay? Ito. Ayan, 60 minutes. That is equal to 1 hour. So, kupihin muna natin si 216,000 minutes. Okay? Then, multiply natin yan. Dito sa denominator, dapat minutes. So, 60 minutes dito. Okay? And then, dito sa numerator, 1 hour. Kasi, gagawin nating hour itong 216,000 minutes. Pagkatapos, i-cancel na natin yan, si minutes. Okay, na-cancel na. So, ang naiwan dito, 216,000, i-multiply natin sa 1 hour, the result is 216,000 hour. Okay? I-divide natin yan kay 60 na lang, wala na palang minute. Ayan. So, 216,000 hours divided by 60, that is equal to 3,600 hours. Oh, diba? So, this is your final answer. Therefore, 216,000 minutes, that is equal to 3,600 hours. Okay? So, let's proceed to another example. Okay, number 5 example. 5.5 months, we will convert into days. Gagawin natin days itong 5.5 months. Okay, yung conversion ng dalawa, months to days. Okay, may dinagdag ako dito sa baba. Kung makuha pa, kita pa ba? Hindi na makita. That is 1 month, that is equal to 30 days. Okay? So, kopyahin muna natin si 5.5 months. Nakalimutan ko kasi isulat eh. So, multiply natin. Dapat dito sa denominator, yung 1 month. Okay? 1 month. Tapos dito sa numerator is days. 30 days. Okay? And then, i-cancel natin yung month. So, ang naiwan, 5.5 at saka 30 days. So, i-multiply na natin yan. So, 5.5 times 30 days, that is equal to 165 days. Okay? Therefore, 5.5 months or 5.5 months, that is equal to 165 days. Okay, let's proceed to number 6 example. Maybe this is our last example. So, 15 minutes to seconds. Gagawin natin seconds, itong 15 minutes. So, kopyahin muna natin si 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes. Okay? I-multiply natin yan. Multiply natin yan kay dapat dito sa denominator is minutes. Okay? 1 minute. Tapos sa numerator is seconds. So 60 seconds. Ayan. So i-cancel natin yung minute. Ayan. Ang naiwan si 15 na lang at saka si 60 seconds. So i-multiply natin yan si 60 times 15. Try natin ba? 60 times 15. 0, 30, 0, 6. So 900. So 60 seconds times 15, that is equal to 900 seconds. Okay. Therefore, 15 minutes, that is equal to 900 seconds. So this is your final answer. Gusto ko lang i-shoutout ang aking mga bagong kaibigan or yung mga bagong team ko. Team Organic Barkadas, mega shoutout sa ating lahat dyan. At Team Kagilokers, mega shoutout sa inyo mga kapatid. And of course, sa aking mga dating kaibigan ko sa Team Rampa at sa Team Pangat, mega love shoutout sa ating lahat. Okay? God bless and I love you all. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. See you to my next videos. Bye-bye!